Hello friends, you're welcome to Easy Maths Tutor, and it's been a while that I have done any tutorial on this channel, but today we are going to make a subject of this algebraic expression, and the expression is t equal to the square root of pbh all over 4 plus a square. And we all know that pbh is a product of p times b times h all over 4 plus a square, which is a product of a times a, all square root. So now this is how all the terms of the algebraic expression are connected for this problem. So how are we going to isolate a to make a subject of this algebraic expression? First of all, we are going to remove the square root, which is binding a inside the expression, from the right hand side by squaring both sides. We'll square the left hand side, giving us t square, and then we square the right hand side, which will help to remove the square root. And then we'll end up having the value t square equal to pbh all over 4 plus a square. Remember that the square of a square root cancels out that square root. Okay, so this is what we'll have. Now the next point is to move all the elements from the right hand side gradually until we get only a on one side. There are two ways that we can do this. The first way is by flipping over the expressions, and the second way is by multiplying both sides by 4 plus a square. Now the first method, if we flip over the left hand side, we'll have 1 over t square, and if we flip over the right hand side, we'll have 4 plus a square all over pbh. While the second method, we will have t square times 4 plus a square in brackets equal to pbh. So the first way, we are going to multiply both sides by pbh in order for us to remove pbh from the right hand side, leaving us with pbh over t square equal to 4 plus a square. Now cancelling out pbh on the right hand side, we are left with pbh over t square equal to 4 plus a square. Now we're left with this. How do we make sure that we have only a on one side? We'll say pbh over t square minus 4. We're going to subtract 4 from the left hand side and the right hand side, leaving us with only a square on the right hand side. So in order for us to have just a on one side, we'll have to find the square root of a square. So therefore, we're going to find the square root of both sides, giving us the square root of a square as a, and the square root of pbh over t minus 4. And that is the answer for that problem. Now the second method, we're simply going to divide both sides by t square. The expression will become 4 plus a square equal to pbh over t square, and then we move 4 to the other side by subtracting, and then we'll find the square root of both sides, giving us a equal to the square root of pbh over t square minus 4, and that is the final answer. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.